What's up today? So let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis on euro dollar. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. As you can see, euro dollar in the beginning of trading week doing exactly according to our previous analysis. So before I discuss now how we can trade in the first day of trading week on euro dollar, let's look at the bigger picture to see the general direction in the market, and then we'll jump onto this lower time frame to see how we can trade euro dollar looking at monthly perspective to see overall picture in the market. Now we see that from the monthly, euro dollar previous months has created this strong rejection from the top. We can see that euro dollar back to back 4 months were in a strong bullish move to the upside, followed by this rejection. Is we see an retracement of this impulse correction. Now we can expect a little push to the upside, at least to this monthly resistance level. Though we see that euro dollar historically bearish market, we can see that after this impulse correction we can expect from the buyers to try to create another impulse to the upside. So with that said, on the monthly perspective we can expect euro dollar to have another bullish move. If we look at the weekly perspective, we see that this is the previous weekly candle, which is in fact a significantly bullish candle, which has a healthy body with a long wick at the top. Now this week, this is the first candle this week, we see that open with a gap, with a wickless candle. Now with that gap, euro dollar basically looks like that it's preparing for another bullish move. At least we could see a retest of this long wick doji. Now as you can see, this is the weekly long wick doji, and this part on this zone has not been tested yet. Now we could potentially see euro dollar is pushing high to test this level. Probably will create a head and shoulder in this level before creating any move to the downside. So with that said, on the weekly perspective as well, we have a high probability for euro dollar to continue to go up. Now if we look at the daily to see overall picture in the market, we see that from the daily, this is the last day of trading week. Now we saw that today the market opened with a gap. Now the price was pushing along this channel, creating a series of higher high and higher low on the lower time frame. Now this is what exactly expected in our weekly first focus, that euro dollar to continue to go up, and we see that this market is doing exactly as it is. Now if we look at the a lower time frame perspective on the 4 hour to see how the price is doing, we saw that multiple times liquidity grab previous week, last day of trading week. We saw that there is a long doji. It has grabbed liquidity from quite a few candles low, and also we saw that there was another liquidity grab back to back. Two strong liquidity grab has given a strong momentum on euro dollar, followed by we have seen that today the market opened with an wickless candle on the 4 hour. That is also a strong bullish engulfer, followed by another bullish candle. Now we see that euro dollar still 2 hours to go for this candle. Looks like that it is forming a doji. Now with that movement, we see this is the impulse. After this doji, we can expect some retracement on the lower time frame along this zone where there is the previous resistance zone. We see that with this back to back two candle on the lower time frame, it created a resistance here and also support here. Highly likely it will be tested here as a resist support in this movement on the lower time frame. So as soon as we will find a suitable entry opportunity along this zone on the retest of this support, we will consider going long on euro dollar with a high probability trade setup with our students. If you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button, and also let us know in the comment section which way you are trading euro dollar. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.